Hey, Dewey McDonough here from Guarantee RV. I got a brand new 2021 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer. The model is a 29 THS. So come here and let's go check it out here in a minute. All right, on the front of this coach, we have a power tongue jack. We've got a lock for the, like to lock up your bikes and stuff, comes with it. And then on the side, you've got the LED strip under the awning. You've got a power awning, outdoor speakers, plug-in cable hookup for TVs and stuff. The two-door entrance, you got the nice big grab handle. You got the new step that folds into the unit. It's got the solid step. So, and then we walk around the back. You've got the manual back jacks in the back, and then you got your patio deck. We'll talk about that when we go inside. On the other side, you've got outdoor shower. So, and then all your hookups for your sewer and everything there. So, nice toy hauler. So if you're, wanting something good size, this is a pretty good unit for you. Okay, in the front of this 29 TH Catalina, we've got a walk-around bed. You got pocket doors on both sides. You've got cabinets above you, above the bed, on the sides. You've got a USB port, plug-in for your CPAP machine or whatnot. Under the bed lifts up for storage. So in the living area here, you got your nice TV on a swivel bracket. You got your stereo, CD player, all LED lights above us. You got your Norcold refrigerator, freezer, air conditioning. You've got your corner kitchen with the glass front door, 3-burner. Then your table. You got your booth here that makes, it's kind of a U-shaped booth that makes into a bed also. So slide out right here. Like I said, all LED lights, nice cabinets. You got storage under the bench seats for, for more storage. Cabinet here in the front under the sink. Then in the bathroom, you've got the tub and shower bathroom, nice bathroom in the middle. And in the back, you've got your closed garage area with the bench seating on each side that folds down into a bed. And then you've got your ramp door that makes into a patio deck that has the screen that goes all the way around it with a curtain that drops down. So if you're looking for a nice unit that has a lot of room and an enclosed garage that's not open, this is kind of a cool unit. So Catalina, it's an awesome product. We sell a bunch of them. Kind of a best bang for the buck. Hey, Dewey McDonough here again. We covered this Coachmen Catalina. So if you're wanting to get a hold of me, you can go on our website, text me. I sell any RVs, campers, toy haulers, trailers, you name it. Come see me, Dewey McDonough, Guarantee RV.